in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Mississippi County in eastern Arkansas, northeastern Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, central Tipton County in West Tennessee, southwestern Lauderdale County in West Tennessee, northwestern Charlotte County in West Tennessee. 3:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Over Jericho, moving north at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Booker, Evadale, Benicia, West Memphis, Glider, Cunningham Corner, Hanson Archaeological Museum State Park, Carson Lake, St. Clair, Osceola, Roten, Locke, Chilson, Randolph, Slowendo, Victoria, and Delta. Foliage protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for eastern Arkansas and West Tennessee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas, Crittenden, and Mississippi, and the following counties in Tennessee, Shelby,